I don't know how many make money online videos you've watched at this point, but if you're tired of overthinking, buying courses that don't work, and staying stuck at zero, this video is for you, because I'm gonna break down the exact AI-powered side hustle that took me from a broke college student to over $30 million in digital product sales. And more importantly, I'll show you how my top students, people with no audience, no experience, and no product of their own, are using this to make their first $5,000 to even $50,000 a month. Here's what makes this different. You don't need to follow in, you don't need to be an expert, you don't even need to spend any money on ads. If you don't want to show your face, you don't even have to. All you need is 30 to 90 days of focused, consistent effort and the willingness to actually do the work. So here's what we're gonna cover. First, what to sell. I'll show you two paths: creating something simple yourself or promoting a product that already exists and pays anywhere from 50 to 85% commissions. Second, your sales system. How to set up everything you need to collect payments and deliver the product instantly to your customer without spending a single dime on ads or touching a line of code. And third, this is where most people completely mess up: how to get real buyers. I'm talking real paying customers, not random followers, not vanity metrics, people who actually want what you're selling and are ready to pay you. And stay into the end, because I'm gonna reveal the one platform mistake that kills most beginners before they ever make their first dollar online. And it looks like a smart move, but it's actually a trap, and I'm gonna help you avoid it. So let's get into it. Let's start by talking about your product. What are you actually gonna sell? Now here, you've got two options. Option one is you build something yourself. If you start from scratch and you have no clue what to create, I recommend a simple digital guide or ebook PDF. Quick, simple, and you can knock it out with AI in less than a few hours. Allen AI and Claude are AI tools that work brilliantly for this. Tell AI exactly what you want. Write me a guide about losing weight after 40, or create an ebook about productivity for busy parents, and it gives you something better than what most professional writers can make for you. Now, once you got your content, go to Canva and make it look nice. Canva's free, it's easy to use, and it's packed with templates for every single kind of digital product. So go find a template, drop in your content, export it as a PDF, and done. You've got a digital product to sell. Now, where most people go wrong is they go too broad. The key is to solve one specific problem. Don't try to cover everything. Become the absolute one best solution for one type of problem and customer. Instead of making everything you need to know about fitness, create the 4-week home workout plan for busy parents. You see how much more focused that is? Be specific, because specificity is what sells. Now, I've seen this work in the craziest niches. One of my top students, Lucas, at 18 years old, made $31,000 in 40 days teaching people how to play a video game called Rocket League, a video game. Another one of my students made $7,000 teaching people how to literally build more meaningful friendships. An Uber Eats driver made $8,000 in 14 days teaching productivity to college students. You see, you don't have to be an expert. You don't need a certification. People want to learn from those that they can relate to. Someone who's just simply been a couple steps ahead of where they're currently at now. Now, the second option that you have is you don't have to make your own product. You can promote something that already exists. This is what I call AI product arbitrage. And if you don't want to create anything yourself, it's perfect for you. Marketplaces like Allen.store, WAP, Digistore24, they all have thousands of digital products and across every niche that you can imagine. I'm talking fitness, productivity, business, relationships, hobbies, the weirdest niches as well. And every time someone buys through your custom link, you get a cut. Not the typical 3 to 10% Amazon commissions. I'm talking 50, 70, some even over 85% commissions on products that pay hundreds per sale. So let's do some quick math. You're promoting a $200 product, and let's say it pays 50% commission. That's $100 in profit that you make per sale. 2 sales a day, 14 sales a week. That's $5,600 in profit every month. A full-time salary for a lot of people. And with higher priced products, you don't even need to make that many sales to make a full-time salary. You see, digital products are so great because you create them one time and you sell them over and over. There's no restocking, there's no inventory, no shipping, no headaches. The bottom line is, don't overthink what to sell. And if you're not sure what to create, sell something that already exists. Take the second option. You can always create your own product later down the line. Now, here's the next step: setting up your sales system. Now you need a place where you can actually sell it. Now, most people think this means expensive software, building a complicated website funnel, or hiring some designer to set up everything. Free platforms handle everything you need. I'm talking the sales page, the checkout page, the marketing, the email marketing, the payment processing, all in one place. Allen.store is my favorite place for beginners because it's specifically built for digital products. You just upload your product and it creates a professional sales page, handles and checkout, and delivers the product automatically and connects it to payment processors. Now, here's how quick this is. Upload your product or choose one to promote. The platform will build you a sales page just like this. Connect it to your payment method and then a simple welcome sequence for new customers. done. In less than 15 minutes, it's set up, even if you've never done this before. And the beauty of digital products is once it's set up one time, it runs itself. Someone finds your content, clicks your link, sees a sales page, and they get instant access when they buy. And this can happen while you're asleep, you're at the gym, you could be doing anything you want. Now get this, getting sales. This is where most people hit a wall because you can't make money if you don't have someone to sell it to. And that's why we need to build an audience and get attention. And don't worry, you don't need to have a following at all. Let's go to Instagram because this is hands down the best place to do this right now. Here's why. First off, Instagram just changed everything about their algorithm. They recently released an update that favors new accounts over established ones. And that means that you can start today with 0 followers and you actually have an advantage over someone with 100,000 followers. Why? Because Instagram is competing with TikTok for attention and they want more creators making content on the platform. And so they're giving massive free views as an incentive to new accounts to encourage more people to move over to post on Instagram. This is insane. The second thing about IGs is that short form videos build trust like nothing else. You see, when people see you, they hear you, they learn from you, even a 7 to 11 second video creates massive amounts of connection. And this is why converting them to buyers is so much easier. And if you're camera shy, don't want to show your face, no problem at all. You can do this completely faceless. One of my students, Lila, made her first sales with less than 100 followers using faceless content. Just take a look at this. That's all AI based. Just put text over stock footage. You can even make an AI avatar, and that way it looks nothing like you. Or if you want to clone yourself, you can duplicate yourself with an AI avatar. Like this video here is of me, and that's not even me. And this one video alone made me over $10,000 from one single post. It was completely made by AI. I never filmed myself once. And third, your content works for you long-term. Social media posts on other platforms vanish within 24 hours. It's a content endless treadmill, and you have to constantly pump out content after content just to stay relevant. But IG Reels brings you views, leads, and sales for weeks, even months after you post. So how do you actually start them? Simple. Make 7 to 11 second videos that give value and actually solve people's problems. Look at what's working for other people in your niche. I call this M&M, model and modify after other people's content. What's getting views? What topics are they covering? And then make your own version. Here's a simple rule I teach my students. Find accounts in your niche with 1,000 to 50,000 followers and look for videos that have 2 times more views than they have followers because that's a sign that the content is working. And then just simply make your own version, put your own spin on it. After 10 to 20 videos, you start to see what is working on your account, what your audience loves, what they ignore, and then simply double down on what works. Make more of those. But here's the key. Don't sell or directly pitch in your videos. Instead, offer a valuable free course in exchange for someone starting a conversation with you. A free PDF guide, a video training, a checklist, something that's genuinely helpful. And then in your video, just simply make a call to action and say something like, if you want my free guide on how to do X benefit, then comment the word guide down below and I'll send it to you. And when people comment, you just simply send them a DM, you deliver that free PDF or resource to them, and then you have a real, genuine, authentic conversation with a potential buyer. That's how you turn viewers into leads and leads into paying customers. This is a system that my students and I use to make sales, sometimes with less than 100 followers. Remember, at the beginning, I'd say you make a mistake that most beginners make, right? And that is trying to sell on a marketplace like Etsy or Amazon. Look, I get it. A lot of people are talking about it. It seems hot, it seems trending. A lot of people are getting millions of buyers already. You upload your product and you start generating sales immediately the next day, right? Nope. This is what's actually happening. First, it's way too competitive right now. You pick the wrong product in the wrong niche. You struggle to make sales unless you run ads. In the beginning, you probably shouldn't even be spending any money on ads because you don't have the budget for it. Secondly, if you create something that starts selling, and if you got in a unique product that gets traction, great, you make some sales. But here's what happens next. Within weeks, you have dozens of copycats ripping off the exact product for a fraction of the price. And before you know it, there's barely any profit left and the sales that you've made have tanks. I've seen this countless times, but the biggest problem with selling on platforms like Etsy or Amazon is you get 0 customer data. No email list, no way to actually follow up or build a relationship with your customers. You're just one anonymous seller in a sea of hundreds of thousands of them, and you don't own the customer, the platform does. Now, don't get me wrong, it can totally work in the short term, but it's just not sustainable. You need your own platform where you're in control. Control over pricing, control over the customer experience, and most importantly, control over the relationship. The bottom line is, don't build your own business on someone else's platform. Now, here's what I want you to do next. Step 1, pick a niche. Don't overthink this. Anything that you're interested in can work. Health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, skills, just make sure it's something that you don't get bored with after a few weeks. Step 2, start researching what other people in your niche are doing. Look at their content. Look at their products that they're selling. Browse marketplaces like Allen.store, WAP, or Digital24. Use AI or Google to research what products exist in your niche and start thinking about what you could create or promote. In step 3, Start an IG account and post content. Study what's working in your niche, create your own version, and put your own spin on it. If you're camera shy, you don't want to show your face, use text overlays, stock footage, or AI avatars. And the most important thing, don't wait until everything feels perfect. You can sort out products, emails, and sales pages later. And the most important thing is to pick a niche and start creating content now. If you want to see the complete system laid out step by step, exactly how my top students and I are using AI to create and sell digital products and how they're generating $5,000, $10,000, even $30,000 a month, then tap this video right here. In this video, I'll break down the full process, show you real examples, and walk you through exactly how this process works from start to finish. Everyone watching this video right now, and I mean everyone, is capable of doing this. Build a business around digital products that can give you complete freedom and financial stability. It's not a fantasy, it's just math. I want you to tap this video right here because in that masterclass, I literally break down step by step how to go from 0 to 10,000 to 100,000 a month using AI to do 80 to 90% of the work for you when it comes to launching a digital product business. So tap that video right there and I will see you on the other side.